Are you guys facing any issue while installing or upgrading your software in Ubuntu? This should be like some sort of dpkg error issue which pops up and it never tries to go out. So you're on the right video. Just watch this to know the fixes for clearing this error. Hi everyone, Totally Explode channel welcomes you all. This is your host Harikishan. I make videos on technical product reviews, do-it-yourself fixes, Sanatana Dharma and interesting facts. Please consider subscribing to this channel if any of these topics or videos interests you. Let's continue with the actual topic of this video. So this is the problem I was talking about, guys. The problem actually is when you try to install a new application and once it is installed, it never opens up. So let me try to show it to you. I have come into the application install section over here, and then I will try to install an application called Chromium. So once you install this application, it installs properly, it installs fully, but you will have to open it multiple times, but then the application will never open. So once only after reboot this application opens. So this is a sort of weird problem. Not only this, along with this, the main problem of this video is the dpkg error issue, which I will show it further down the line in this video. So here it is, guys. This is getting installed now fully. Yes, now the Chromium is installed. Let me try to open it and see, checking out whether all the permissions are granted to it or not. Yes, now minimize and then try to open Chromium. Yeah, you will be met with just no response from your system. So there is no any response, no signs of opening Chromium. I'm not sure why. As soon as the application is installed, it should open perfectly. This is Ubuntu 22.04, guys. Everything works perfectly fine except this weird and glitchy issue. I'm not sure why this is happening. And the next main issue, I'm trying to open it again, and then even the second time it doesn't open. Here you go, it's not opening, nothing is responding. So this is one sort of issue. And the next issue which I'm going to show you now is when you try to install, upgrade or update your applications using this command. At the end of the result of this, you will see what the actual error is. It says dpkg. Yeah, let it finish complete installation. Yes, now you can see this, guys. Just before the command prompt, you can see this subprocess. There's an error in the subprocess. Just this entire section which I'm highlighting over here, this is the error. And I have tried multiple fixes, and I'm trying to show you all the fixes in this. At least I was hoping that one of the fix should solve this, but none of it solved my issue. I'm not sure why. Here are the fixes, guys. Method 1, reconfigure dpkg database. So this is the command, sudo dpkg. This is the command. So try to run this. So after running this, at least one or the other fix should have fixed it, but none have fixed it. Are you guys also facing the same kind of issue with 22.04 or any other versions of Ubuntu? If so, just please leave me a comment on how are you able to fix this and what the actual fix was. I'm interested to know that. So I tried this and still the error is there. Now I'm going to method 2 and then trying with method 2, but still, let me see, this is method 2 which I'm running, but still the dpkg error is still there. I'm not sure. It doesn't even show that some packages have dependency issues or something like that. Nothing. The complete screen is clean. You can see there are no any sort of issues. So there are various methods which are given in this website, guys. If you are interested, you can open this website and then you can get all these commands. I'm not going to give all these commands here because this is a pretty simple video which I'm making over here just to show this weird issue. I've never seen this. I've been running Ubuntu since more than 15 years, so I haven't seen any sort of issue like this. So this is how it works. Other command, I have tried it second time as well, but even with the second time I have met with the same error with each and every command which is given over here. Not quite sure, guys, what this weird error is. Yeah, I'm yet to know a fix for this. If I find any fix in the near future, I will definitely share with my viewers over here. I'll make a separate video for that, and maybe I'll tag this link over there so that you will understand what the issue is and why that video was made. So this is other command which I've tried. I think this is the second time I'm trying all the other commands which were run earlier, but still I was met with the same error. There is no any point of this error going away from my system, so it is still there. Let me see. It doesn't pester you, but that error is there. Whenever you try to do update and upgrade command, this error definitely pops up. So not pretty sure, guys. So this is all the second time I'm trying. Maybe you can try it yourself on your PC and then let me know in the comment section whether any of these commands has worked for you. If it has worked, I'm pretty glad. Or else we have to together find out some sort of fix for this, guys. So yeah, these are all the commands. So thanks for watching this far, guys. Please consider liking and subscribing this channel if you find any of my tips and tricks interesting. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'll meet you in my next video.